Hi, Assalamualaikum everybody. It's me, Dr. Ija. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add announcement in your course. So first of all, you need to log into elearning.usn.my and it will bring you to your dashboard and choose one of your course that you wish to add announcement. So let's say I'm going to choose PMC 500. So it will bring you to this course page, your course page, where you can see that under the part of general part of your course, there is announcement here. So what you want to do is you want to add announcement for your course. So you can click edit and then you go to edit setting and it will bring you to the page where you need to update the forum for your announcement. So let's say this is announcement regarding this course. What you want to add in the announcement part is that let's say I'm going to tell my student that the first lecture is going to start on the 3rd week, for example. So hi class, our lecture is going to start next week on Tuesday. At 3 p.m. Please make sure you are punctual. You are punctual to attending the lecture. Thank you. So I wrote here on the description part that I say our lecture is going to start next week on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Please make sure you are punctual attending the lecture. Thank you. So let's say if this is too small, you can make it bold and then you can enlarge it into large and you can even change the color of your announcement. Yeah. So let's say I want to change it into purple. Okay, so there you are. And if you wish to add more, you can just click this button. You can add image, you can add insert video, you can record audio, and there are actually so many things that you can do using the Moodle. So don't forget to take display description on course page. If you did not tick this part, whatever that you have written under description or on your description part, it will not show on your course page, right? So let's say I just leave by default for the other part and save and return to course. There you are. It's already there under your announcement. Let's say you want to add more announcement. You can add activity or resources here. Just keep on adding and it will bring under your announcement. Okay, so what I have done today is that you have already added the announcement into your e-learning at usm.my. Congratulations and thank you all.